Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Soup Ko Saag. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh leafy greens like spinach or mustard. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of red lentils, thoroughly rinsed. Don't forget your aromatics, a few cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and 1 or 2 green chilies, depending on your preference. We'll also use basic spices. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. Begin by washing your leafy greens very well, then chop them into medium-sized pieces. Next, finely mince your garlic, ginger, and green chilies. This ensures their flavors infuse beautifully. Remember to soak your rinsed lentils for about 15 minutes. This helps them cook evenly. If you're adding a tomato, chop it now. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, ginger, and chilies, sautéing them for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, drain and add your soaked lentils along with a pinch of turmeric and cumin powder. Stir everything together. Pour in 3 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the lentils are almost tender. Almost done? Once the lentils are nearly tender, add your chopped leafy greens to the pot. Stir them in and cook until they are wilted and tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Season generously with salt to taste and add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Let it simmer for 5 more minutes to allow all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your warm Soup Ko Saag with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.